Hi viewers, in this video I'm going to show you fix for the problem, which is that when you try to add a script component to a game object in Unity using the inspection window, the error pop-ups which is can't add script component, and then the script name comes. In my case, the script name will be game space instructions because the script class cannot be found. Make sure that the file name and the class name match. So viewers, watch this video till the end. My name is Sazaman Thanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. Viewers, you can see that this is the script named game space instructions. What I will do is just drag this script and then add this script component on a game object in the inspector window. You can see viewers that as I dropped it, the error popped up which is can't add script component game space instructions. In my case, this is the script name. In your case, this might be different because the script class cannot be found. Make sure that there are no compile errors and that the file name and class name match. So what I will do is click on the OK button. Then viewers, what I will do is click on the script and then right click and then rename the script name. Viewers, you can see that there is a space between the two words which are game and instructions. What I will do is finish this space by pressing the backspace key. Now I will press the enter key and you can see that the hold on pop-up has appeared. Now the loading has finished, and now what I will do is again drag this script which is game instructions and then drop it in the inspector window in Unity. Viewers, you can see that the script has been added to a game object successfully. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.